Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make some TADKA DAAL. It's incredibly nutritious, delicious, and an absolute comfort food. So let's get it. I have here some washed Toor dal. To this I'm going to add about 4 times as much water. Season our water with some turmeric. This is what's going to give it that gorgeous yellow color. Some salt. Give this a quick stir and let this baby cook down until it turns into an elegant mush, if you will. Alright, let's get started on the tadka. To a hot pan here, I'm going to add in some ghee. Butter or oil works too, but the ghee lends a more wholesome flavor profile. Once it's hot, I'm going to add in some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some curry leaves, and if you can find some fresh curry leaves, that's going to be awesome. Some dried red chilies, and sprinkle in some hing or asafoetida before giving it a quick stir. Continue to add in some ginger paste, some garlic paste, some slit green chilies, and add in some onions. And to help the onions start sweating a little bit, I'm going to add in some salt and a little bit more ghee. When the onions are starting to cook through, I'm going to add in some tomatoes. This is completely optional, but it does give a little bit more of an acidity and sourness to it. And now the good stuff. Let's start adding in some spices. I'm going to hit it with some coriander powder, some red chili powder, some turmeric, a little bit of black pepper, some Garam Masala, and lastly, a bit of salt. And just give that a good stir. If you're wondering what the exact measurements are, if you want the detailed recipe, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. And let me know in the comments below what kind of recipes you all want to see. Once it's well cooked, when the onions are translucent, the tomatoes are starting to cook down, I'm going to introduce our elegant mash and just give that a good stir. I'm just going to let that simmer all together while the dal absorbs all of those flavors. And if at any point it becomes less than elegant and dries up a little bit, just add in more water to get your desired consistency. And to top off this elegance, I'm going to add in some fresh cilantro and give it a stir. There you have it, folks, a healthy Indian classic, TADKA DAAL.